Alright, so I was constantly bombarded by a lot of people who were supposedly to be from some academy that questioned my credibility, that who am I compared to their guru who's teaching them, and who am I when compared to the other influencers who are in the market. So let me tell you all who the fuck actually Vaibhav is. You see, this is my website, this is my portfolio, okay? And when I say I worked with multi-million dollar clients, I fucking back it up and I'll show you everything that you need, that every coach should do, but they don't. I'll do it. You see the first client, it's Rosian Finance. I have a testimony from their marketing manager. All right. So when I go to Crunchbase, and you can do it too, and I search for Rosian Finance, see the investments. Number of investments, 2. The recent was made on 8th March of 1.7 million, and there are the two others, 1.7 million, 2.6 million. Compare it. It is at 4.3 million dollars. All right. How do you verify it that I was the actual one? Their founder, Alan, founder of Rosian Finance, has given Daddy a testimonial. Alright? Here you have the fucking proof. You go to Alan's profile, founder of Rosian. I want to be completely transparent with my fucking community because I have that integrity and I don't fear anybody. Until unless you breathe oxygen, it's fair game. He has given me a testimonial. You go to the recommendation given, best copywriter we know. Alright? Apart from that, we have their marketing manager. Let me show you that too. Marketing manager at Rosian World. If you go to the given section, again, Weber is one of the most responsible and excellent writers that I've worked with. Working proofs. We are just starting. Now the second client is Load Token, okay? We have testimonial from David. Alright. Now let me show you how much Load Token is worth. 15.7 million US dollars. Compare it to Indian rupees and see where you and your coach and I stand up. Fucking snitches talking about who am I and I should give me the proof. Okay, I'm coming with the proofs, handle it. We are halfway over there. We are not even half. Total investment 15.7 million in 2 funding rounds. Money raised 10.2, 5.5. Alright. Testimonials, let's come to that. David, who is the head of content at Lot Token, has given me a recommendation. Worked with Wabo and it's been great collaboration. I highly encourage anyone to work with Wabo. And if you don't know about David, here you have the main Lot Token. See, who is he? Head of content and create content at Lot Token. Verified. Here you have the fucking link. Search for Lot Token and search this, or you can see it on your own. You see, the more I tried to not flex, this guy made me. So now even before you watch the course, you need to fucking know whom you are listening to. Like the person is in a position that he can actually tell you shit. Alright. Now let us come to the third one. And that is International Business Times. So I don't have a testimonial from them. Alright, fair game. But what do I have, suckers? Is a complete dedicated portfolio page where all my articles are published on their site. Go there, find out. Here you see Daddy, okay? My name, my articles. Open any fucking article. By who? Me. Alright? You check their social followings. LinkedIn 16 to 64. Facebook 453k. Twitter 120k. Okay, let me give you some more. Now we come on to Alchemy Exchange. Go on to these sites, search everything. Their market capitalization, how much is it? 13,796, 465. Okay. If I multiply it by 81, that is the current $1 equal to 81 rupees. Calculate it. So when I say multi-million dollar companies, I back that shit up. When your coach say I work with international clients, I generated this revenue, that revenue, they don't have a fucking proof. Where is the proof for this one, you ask? Here it is. Where we have Benjamin, Vice President, Ecosystem Growth at Alchemy. Let me open his profile for you. Alright, Alchemy, you have the logo. And once you go on to their recommendation section, a vice president writes so much about me. Alright, so that should be enough. And this is the first and last time I'm answering this fucking question. So next time, if you have any doubt about my credibility, please point fingers at your coaches because I have done my part. I've shown everything in the public domain. Verify any shit you want to. I am not feared. Alright? And there are a lot more. I have not talked about Umar. Like he was the manager of an LT money laundering firm in the crypto space. So I worked with the high creamy class that values the work, and I have good connections. So next time, suckers, you come up to me and make allegations, and your academy students try to go against my clients and poach them, you will not be successful. Keep on trying. Now let us get into the other shit we have on the site. So this is the first and last time I've answered this question. From now on, I will no longer entertain this shit. So I hope now you will be getting insights from a person who is already working with multi-million dollar businesses. That is verifiable. The testimonials are real. Nothing is fake. And do you think I got this because of some bullshit 10,000 rupee freelancing course? Fucking shit. You don't need one. I didn't need one. You also don't need one. But they will tell you you need one. I'm here to tell you you don't. Alright? Go to the real stuff and learn how the real world is actually working.